in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about splitting or trimming videos in the VLC Media Player. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I want to point out is that this is just going to be creating a new video. It's not going to be editing the original, so just keep that in mind. So first thing you want to do is just go up to the top menu bar and select View. And then go down and select where it says Advanced Controls. Make sure that is check marked in here. If it's not, you want to go ahead and select that. And then you'll see additional menu items down here. Go ahead and start the video wherever you want to begin the new recording and select the little item that says Record, a little red button. Go ahead and select that and then start playing the video. Once you reach the desired endpoint, go ahead and select that button again to stop the recording. And then if you want to locate where the output folder is, go ahead and open up the search menu, type in File Explorer. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, select Videos, and then the video recording should be saved directly in here. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.